Hello Kutties, this is class 2 EVS video. Kutties, already you know the instruction for your term 2 exam, isn't it? I am recalling now. You are going to write term 2 exam from coming Monday, that is March 22nd. After writing all the exams, ask your parents to submit your answer sheets in the school on 27th March. Okay, that is Saturday. You have to write exam in the ruled paper. No need to write in the test note. You have to write in the ruled paper. You have to mention your name, roll number and class clearly in all the subject papers. In English, Tamil, Math and EVS, you have to write your name, roll number and class. Then only your paper will reach us. Okay, goodies? Then only we can correct. Children, you all know that there are 4 lessons for your term 2 EVS exam. Already we have revised 2 lessons, that is bones and muscles and think food first. Today we are going to revise remaining 2 lessons, that is water for all and sun, light and shadow. First let us recall water for all lesson. Water is useful for many activities. Tell me, for what purpose do we use water? Tell me, goodies. Yes, for drinking, washing, bathing, cooking, cleaning, mopping, growing plants and for many other purpose we use water. All human beings and animals and also plants need water. From where do we get water? Yes, we get water from rain. Rain is the main source of water. Rainwater is very pure water. Rainwater fills river, pond, lake, seas and oceans. So rain water fills up all other sources of water. Okay, goodies? So what are all the sources of water? Sources means water நமக்கு எங்க இருந்தெல்லாம் கிடைக்குது? What are all the sources of water? Rain, river, pond, lake, sea are sources of water. Rainwater also goes into the ground. We get groundwater by digging wells and putting bore. People in hills get water through springs. Nowadays, water in river, pond, lake are not at all clean. It contains germs. We have to purify it before drinking. We can boil water before drinking. Boiling kills germs. So ask your mother to boil the water. Then only have to drink. Or you can use water purifier or water filter also to clean water. Okay. You have to boil the water or you have to use water purifier or water filter. Then only you have to drink the water. Water is very precious. We should not waste water. We have to save water. Isn't it, cuties? So don't waste water. Next we can see about forms of water. Do you all remember? Water has how many forms? Yes, 3 forms. Water has 3 forms. That is solid, liquid and gas. Tell me, what are all the 3 forms? Solid, liquid and gas. These are the 3 forms of water. Repeat again, cuties. Solid, liquid and gas. Okay. Solid means நல்லா கட்டியா இருக்கும்ல, that is solid forms of water. For example, ice cubes. Ice cube is the solid form of water. வாட்டர் தான் ஐஸ் க்யூப் ஆகுது, அப்படி தானே? வாட்டரை நீ ஒரு பவுல்லையோ இதுலையோ ஊற்றி ஃப்ரிட்ஜில் வச்சுட்டேன்னா ஒரு ஹாஃப் டே இல்லை 1 day கழிச்சு எடுத்து பார்த்தா அந்த வாட்டர் அப்படியே கட்டியாக மாறி இருக்கும். ஸோ அது கட்டியாக மாறிடுச்சு, அது வாட்டர் இல்லைன்னு சொல்ல முடியுமா? நோ, தட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ எ ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் வாட்டர். ஸோ ஐஸ் க்யூப்ஸ் ஆர் சாலிட் ஃபார்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் வாட்டர். Liquid means a drinking water that you all know. தண்ணி நம்ம குடிப்போம்ல, that is liquid. Next, gas means water vapor. Water vapor நம்ம கண்ணுக்கு தெரியாது, but we can feel it. If you boil the water, that water becomes water vapor. That is called gas. Water vapor are also called as steam. Okay, kitties? Next, we can see about water cycle. We find water everywhere. Have you ever thought, where does water come from? Yes, water comes from rain. Then, where does rain come from? I will say how rain comes. Water in river, pond, lake get heated due to sun's heat. நம்ம கொஞ்ச நேரம் வெயிலில் போயிட்டு வந்தால் எப்படி இருக்குது? நம்ம உடம்புலாம் அப்படி ஹீட்டாக இருக்கா? ஆனால் ரிவர், பாண்ட், லேக்கில் இருக்கிற தண்ணி எப்போவுமே வெயில்லையே தான் இருக்குது. அப்போ என்ன ஆகும்? அந்த வாட்டரெல்லாம் ஹீட் ஆயிரும், அப்படி தானே குட்டீஸ்? ஸோ வாட்டர் ஃப்ரம் ரிவர், பாண்ட், லேக் எவாபரேட்ஸ் அண்ட் பிகம் வாட்டர் வேப்பர். Water vapor goes high and reaches cool surface and become water droplets again. These water droplets join together and form clouds. Clouds become heavy and big. Water in the clouds fall as rain. The rainwater fills up river, pond, lake again. Due to sun's heat, these water become water vapor and goes up. The same process repeats again and again. So it is called as water cycle. If you have doubt, already I have explained this water cycle very clearly in the previous video, isn't it? If you have doubt, go to YouTube, watch the video again. That's all about water for all lesson, cuties. Now let us revise sun, light and shadow lesson. Sun gives us heat and light. Without sun, no living things can live in the earth. Sun is the big ball of fire. You all play with small balls, isn't it, cuties? Sun is also a ball, but it is very, very big and it is very hot, isn't it? So we call it as big ball of fire. It is very, very far away from us. So it looks very small. The sun is the natural source of light. Natural means it is available in nature itself. Nobody can make this. That is called natural source of light. Tube light, bulb, candle, diya are artificial sources of light. Artificial source means made by humans. I repeat again. Tube light, bulb, candle, torch, diya are artificial sources of light. Next, let us study about shadow. If you block the path of light, a dark patch forms on the opposite side of the light. That is called shadow. Already we have studied this in detail, isn't it, cuties? Always shadow falls on the opposite side of the light. Shadows are longer in the morning and in the evening, and it is short in the afternoon. We can say it as noon or midday also. Afternoon means noon or midday. So shadows are long when in the morning and in the evening. When it is short, yes, shadows are short in the afternoon. See this picture? See the first picture? It is taken at 8 a.m. morning 8 o'clock. The shadow is long, isn't it? See this last picture? It is taken at 4 o'clock in the evening. It is also, the shadow is long, isn't it? So shadows are long in the morning and in the evening. See the middle picture? It is taken at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. It is very short, isn't it? So shadows are short in the afternoon. That's all, kutties. We have revised these two lessons. Now all of you take your classwork note. Let us read these two lessons, water for all and sun, light and shadow lesson. Now take lesson 10, water for all. First Roman letter is terminology. First one, ocean. Second one, spring. Third one is mobbing. Fourth one, purifiers. Fifth one, diseases. Sixth one, bathe. Seventh one, previous. Then eighth one, handkerchief. Ninth one, water vapor. 10th one, continuous. Next, Roman letter 2, name the following. Name some sources of water. Rain, lake, pond, river. Next, second question. Name some solid forms of water. Ice, hailstones, snowflakes. Third question. Name the forms of water. Solid, liquid and gas. Next, Roman letter 3, question answer. List some ways to save water. Turn taps off when they are not in use. Rainwater can be collected and used. Second question. How is water vapor formed? When water is heated, it changes into water vapor. Second point, water vapor is also called as steam. Water on heating becomes water vapor. Now take lesson 11, sun, light and shadow. Roman letter 1, terminology. Kutties, while reading, you have to take your classwork note, take your index finger and keep your finger on the line which I am reading, and you have to follow me and read. Okay. Terminology. First one is shining. Second one, bright. Third one, heat. Fourth one, bloom. Fifth one, ripen. Sixth one, clouds. Seventh one, because. Next, eighth one, black patch. Ninth one, around. 10th one, morning. 11th one, evening. 12th one, shortest. 13th one, opposite. 14th one, friend. 15th one, shadow. Next, take Roman letter 2, name the following. Name some artificial sources of light. Bulb, tube light, torch, candle. Second question, name 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Then Roman letter 3, question answer. What does the sun give us? The sun gives us heat and light. Second question, how is a shadow formed? A shadow is formed when an object blocks the path of light. Next, let us read third question. How are day and night caused? Rotation of the earth causes day and night. Kutties, in the exam I can't ask terminology words, isn't it? So I have given terminology words as a missing letters. குட்டீஸ் ஸ்கூலில் இருந்தால் டெர்மினாலஜி வேர்ட்ஸை மேம் டிக்டேட் பண்ணுவேன், நீ அதை கேட்டு கரெக்டான ஸ்பெல்லிங் எழுதுவேன். ஆனால் இப்போ மேம் சொல்ல முடியாது இல்லையா எக்ஸாம் நடக்கிறப்போ, அதனால டெர்மினாலஜி வேர்ட்ஸை மிஸ்ஸிங் லெட்டர்ஸாக கேட்டிருக்கேன். ஸோ நீ கண்டுபிடிச்சி எந்த லெட்டர் மிஸ்ஸிங் அப்படின்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சி அந்த வேர்டை கண்டுபிடிச்சி எழுதணும். ஓகேவா குட்டீஸ்? ஓகே, இந்த வருஷம் இவிஎஸ்சில் இதுதான் லாஸ்ட் வீடியோ. உங்களெல்லாம் பார்க்காமலே 1 இயர் ஓடி போயிடுச்சு. அட்லீஸ்ட் 3rd ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்லையாவது உங்கள் டீச்சர்ஸ் எல்லாம் பார்த்து நல்லா படிக்கணும்னு மேம் ஆசைப்பட்றேன். டியர் பேரண்ட்ஸ், உங்களோட சப்போர்ட்டுக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். நீங்கள் இல்லைன்னா இந்த வருஷம் பிள்ளைங்க படிச்சிருக்கவே முடியாது. நீங்கள் எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப சப்போர்ட் பண்ணீங்க. ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் பேரண்ட்ஸ். குட்டீஸ், உங்களெல்லாம் ரொம்ப மிஸ் பண்ணுறேன். பாய், டேக் கேர் குட்டீஸ். எல்லா எக்ஸாமும் நல்லா எழுதுங்க. எல்லோரும் ஃபுல் மார்க் வாங்கணும்னு மேம் ஆசைப்பட்றேன். பாய் குட்டீஸ்.